you guys doing? My name is Jordan Milbury, and I'm doing my article presentation on American Airlines pausing lottery for bonuses after employees rebel online. Pretty much, the United Airlines wanted to come up with a different plan and a different strategy to reward their employees by taking away the regular bonuses and turning it into a lottery program. So it would only going to limit some employees to be eligible for the whole reward or the bonus, which employed employees at United Airlines wasn't too happy about it. So they kind of went online, did a petition. You'll learn more about it once I'm keep talking on this. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna go over with you guys. This is my agenda. I'm going to be talking about Ariel Grant first. Then I'm gonna talk about the introduction on the article. Tell y'all where I got the article from, who wrote it, things of that nature. Article relevance, how it relates to what we've been learning in chapter. I kind of got this from chapter 8 about bonuses and incentives under Harry L. Grant under his thing. So then I'll be giving you my opinion on the article and then my conclusion and feelings on this topic. Harry L. Grant was born on May 20th, 1861, in Calvert County, Maryland, under a slave owning plantation family. He was an American mechanical engineer. One of the reasons he believes engineers should be industry leaders. So I found that kind of funny how he believes that. So, but he was one, and he also was a management consultant. He also created the Gantt charts, a chart that shows the relationship between activities and current schedule status, or really you could just put it, just shorten it up, and it really means it shows how long a task takes and how long you've been working on it. It kind of analyze productivity. Um, he also believed in worker selection, incentives to reward performances, morality of interests, and etc. Frederick Taylor and Grant admired each other's work, talking about rewarding for performances and giving incentives out. So he implanted task work with bonus to stimulate performance. So pretty much he gave out bonuses and incentives to motivate their workers to come to work, do what they got to do every day. And it influenced Taylor because Taylor believed Dan's plan was better. So he kind of went with that. He also emphasized the importance of morale training and development of employees. The Grant chart was pretty much used. These are some facts. It pretty much was used for planning and controlling work. It was used during World War I, and it became international management technique for other countries. So other countries came and liked what liked what he put together, and they started using it as well. And like I said, as I said in the beginning, promoted. He also promoted the idea engineers should be industry leaders. He also believed in social responsibility. Concerned businesses should not lose sight of his service role. I found my article in the New York Times website entitled United Airlines pauses lottery for bonuses after employees rebel online. Written by Christina Carson on March 5th, 2018. Newspaper article on employees' pay. Some of the key terms I found in there: bonuses, incentives, I said before, employees' morale, employees' performance, and their attendance. Attendance, attending the work. So, like I said before, United States put their monthly bonuses on pause for a plan to replace it with a lottery system for few random employees. They wanted to go away from their performance incentive program, which awarded workers up to $375 each quarter they met their operational goals. So it really wasn't what they what each individual was doing. So if they some individuals could be doing less and just they might have a one good worker and they're just working their butt off and they reach their goal. So like everybody gets it. So to cut that down, they wanted to replace it program. United Airlines wanted employees to enter a lottery system where you could win big prizes or cash, up to $100,000, a Mercedes Benz, or go on vacations. But the catch was only workers with perfect attendance for the quarter would be eligible, which draw the red flag for a lot of employees because they were thinking what I go on and talk about it later. So workers and United Airlines reaction. Workers were furious with the proposal. Complaints such as, okay, what about the sick days? What about just normal life? Like things pop up, funerals happen, things happen every day in life, and they just couldn't make the work. That means they couldn't get a bonus for their hard work, and they could have sick children. And but some of the workers thinks, okay, the company just wants to save more money by not giving it out to the employees for their hard work. So so some responses were it could be a lack of service, or company would suffer if they did decide to go with the lottery program. Online participants was signed by many workers. It was 1,000, I think, in like a day, and then they after like 2 days they had it shut down. The petition was shut down, but it got to United Airlines because their president Scott Kirby told the company they're rethinking the lottery program. So I guess that worked. My opinion on the article, I agree with bonuses because without employees working hard, companies won't be as successful. Bonus incentives encourage workers to come to work and get the task done. With the lottery program, United Airlines was lacking. With the lottery program, they were lacking the social responsibility because outside. They weren't thinking outside the box. They were just thinking, okay, we're giving our employees a lot of bonuses, a lot of rewards for completing their goals. So let's try to cut them down, and say, okay, we're only gonna give it to ones with perfect attendance, which it's not kind of being responsible for everybody and your workers and things like that. If the company feels they're spending too much money on the bonuses and incentives, then they should cut down on the bonuses, but everybody should get them. I don't think it's ethically or more morally right for them to cut people out of getting their bonuses. My conclusion on this: without Harry L. Grant, employees probably wouldn't have received bonuses or incentives that they deserve. Harry L. Grant implemented task work with a bonus to fuel performance. United Airlines are known for treating their employees the right way with their rewards. On the website page, I've seen that it says our employees are critical to our success, so we reward them financially through profit sharing, which is also something that was within the chapters that we learned about today or this week. Customer satisfaction bonuses and on-time arrival bonuses when the airline performs well. So they're all about the Harry L. Grant and the Taylor's whole thing on making sure you take care of make sure you're taking care of your employees, making sure they're getting what they deserve, giving out the incentives, giving out the bonuses. And I feel like they will continue taking care of all the work and throw the lottery system out the window. So thanks for listening to my video presentation. I appreciate y'all. Thank you.